new water dolphin bituminous waterproofing membrane. That's just how much is the pipe? This one
2,600 ma'am.
2,600 for the pot,
For 5 kilograms.
5 kilograms. So ang capacity, what's the
area
capacity?
coverage is per 1 kilogram, you can cover around 3 to 4 square meters depending on the substrate.
Oh, so 1 kilogram, 3 to 4 square meters.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can directly apply it in cement like this one.
On rooftop decks, slabs, even swimming pools.
Swimming pools. But are they only available in black?
We have white, ma'am, but we have to order from the white.
Order. So this is the this look. They can put it
But
direct.
you can actually paint on top of it, ma'am. So once it's fully cured, you can paint it over. Here's a sample of the recent project that we have just finished. If familiar kayo, ma'am, sa Buddha Light Temple,
So this is what they're using in Dubai right now.
yes, ma'am.
So you can paint it direct, and then you can paint it over.
Yes. So originally, it was yellow, so we scraped the old painting because back then they were using cementitious type of waterproofing. Nagka-crack siya, ma'am. So kami tinix namin yung site using the product.
Okay.
Tapos, yun po. Pag-apply namin and once it's fully cured, binalik namin siya sa dating kulay.
Wow. So you can paint this over as well. So this is how it looks like, no? For the cement, you can directly put it in.
Yes, sir.
Pila ka days ang kuan ano?
Ang
Curing.
niya, ma'am, is 48 hours.
So you can it dries within 48 hours. And also direct on wood. Ito po,
Wood.
direct on wood.
Wood. Tiles.
Tiles, direct on tiles. At saka ano
GI
yan?
sheet.
GI sheet.
Very flexible. Good elongation.
And then you
Even heat resistant, ma'am.
heat resistant, so it won't crack. Okay. So 1 kilogram is 3 to 4 square meters.
First coating, we usually advise na first coating is dilute with 25% water and then 75% of the product para mas maganda ang adhesion niya, maayong adhesion. And then after 2 hours, second coating, dilution of 10% water and 90% of the bituminous.
Okay.
And then third coating, pure.
Pure, just the bituminous.
Maximum result po.
Okay, so you by doing what you advise, it will be like looking like that.
Yes, ma'am. Ito siya sa in actual po siya.
So it is really waterproof.
Wala po
That's just the box. Oh, wala nga ang seal yan. So there's a sample here of the box. It's been waterproof, and there's no leak of water at all. Wala nga ano.
Dubai technology na siya, ma'am.
So this is from Dubai Technology. It's now available. Where in Cebu are you displaying?
Around this is located in the Apple One, Regus, Ayala.
In Ayala. So but your
We
actual
don't
display,
have any physical store yet, but we have a warehouse.
a warehouse.
To go, the courier. But pretty soon we're gonna be opening up stores. But if you wanna order, we can process it
Yeah.
via call, and then we can deliver it directly to your doorstep.
Okay. So because I'm trying to promote you, and so if anyone who's interested about the product, they can contact or where
Can
is this the
Those
is this the
are
coloring, the silicone? The silicone color card. Because
aside
that
from
water,
the waterproofing, ma'am, we have sealants as well.
you have silicone.
Yes, ma'am. Silicone. It depends on what kind of what use you're gonna be needing sealants for paint.
So you got like for glass and
Glass, for aluminum and metal cladding.
general purpose, Nutrasil. So you're still planning to open a shop here in Cebu. You also have this
Spray paint.
spray paints. from Dolphin. So, you're still planning to open a proper shops here? I thought you're already like in some hardwares, you're already available.
We will be working on that once we expand. Kasi right now, the Dolphin Philippines is pretty new. We are just in the market for
So this is
3
new.
months. So, the purpose we joined this event is for us to
Introduce.
to the market. So once ma-establish na yung audience and the product, then that's the time that we will probably open a store. We're even planning on putting up a warehouse in this area.
Okay. So,
Para mas maraming reach.
mas mabuti yan. Kasi this is really needed here. Kasi palagi tayong may ulan. We're always having typhoons and rain.
Unlike the old traditional style where you were gonna yung mga torch pa, yung membrane na roll, titreat pa siya ng primer and then torch pa siya para magpikit siya sa substrate.
So this one is direct.
Direct
Yeah.
bulk applied.
This is more, yeah, this is more
And it's
convenient.
water-based na.
That is very useful.
Can I have a card or can I just get your
Just get my number, ha? Kasi- So you can even paint the actual waterproofing direct. You don't need to hire anybody. If you're willing to work on your waterproofing project. So what warranty?
10 years warranty?
10 years warranty for the product.
Okay. Dito pa sa mga projects kami na mag-apply para maganda talaga.
So you also offer that they can install the product itself. You can install it.
Pwede na pintalan.
Dream cake, pwede. Very good. Yeah, and then you can, yeah.
One coat only, this is one coat only.
Pero sa cement, yun yung consistency na sinasabi niya. Yung 3 coatings.
Ito ma'am, pwede din to 3 coatings, pero yung linagay namin lahat dito ma'am, 1 coat lang para makita talaga yung first coating thickness niya ma'am.
So you can use this 3 to 4 square meter per kilos of the bituminous waterproofing.
Hindi man na natin sinabi dito. Healthy products specializing in waterproofing systems.
Waterproofing